Let's face it, sometimes AI content sounds like, well, a robot wrote it. It's often grammatically correct. It may even be factually accurate, but it lacks that certain something, that human touch. Why does this matter? Because people connect with people. We crave authenticity. A robotic tone can kill credibility faster than you can say algorithm. Plus, search engines are getting smarter. They can sniff out bland AI-generated content from a mile away, and that can hurt your rankings. The solution? We need to humanize AI content. We need to inject it with personality. We need to make it sing. Luckily, we have some powerful allies in this fight against robotic content. Enter UPass AI and Gravity Write. These tools are like digital writing assistants. They can take your AI-generated content and give it a much-needed dose of humanity. UPass AI excels at paraphrasing. It can reword sentences and paragraphs, making them flow more naturally. Think of it as a master wordsmith, polishing your prose. Gravity Write, on the other hand, is all about style. It helps you infuse your writing with a specific tone and voice. Want to sound witty, authoritative? Gravity Write can make it happen. Let's get down to brass tacks. In today's digital age, AI-generated text is becoming increasingly prevalent. But how do we make sure this content doesn't sound robotic or impersonal? How do we breathe life into it and make it resonate with human readers? How do you actually use these tools to humanize your AI content? The process might seem daunting at first, but with the right approach, it can be quite straightforward and even enjoyable. It's simpler than you think. The key is to use a combination of tools and techniques that complement each other, enhancing the overall quality and feel of the text. First, generate your content using your preferred AI tool. This could be anything from a basic text generator to a more sophisticated AI writing assistant. The goal here is to get a rough draft that you can work with. Don't worry about making it perfect at this stage. Just get the ideas down. Think of this as the skeleton of your content, which you will flesh out and refine in the next steps. Next, paste your content into UPass AI. This tool is designed to take your rough draft and transform it into something more polished and human-like. Select the Humanize option and let it work its magic. UPass AI will rephrase sentences, vary sentence structure, and generally make the text sound more natural and engaging. UPass will rephrase sentences, vary sentence structure, and generally make the text sound more natural. You'll notice a significant difference in the tone and readability of your content. Then, head over to Gravity Write. This tool offers a range of writing styles and tones that you can apply to your text, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your brand or the specific message you want to convey. Choose a writing style that aligns with your brand or the specific piece of content. Whether you need a formal tone for a business report or a casual, friendly style for a blog post, Gravity Write has you covered. Gravity Write will analyze your text and suggest changes to match the chosen style. This final step ensures that your content not only sounds human, but also fits seamlessly into the context for which it was created. By following these steps, you can transform AI-generated text into engaging, human-like content that resonates with your audience. Here's the secret sauce: creating a personal voice profile. This is the foundation of making your digital communications truly unique and personalized. Imagine having a tool that not only mimics human writing, but captures your individual voice, tone, and style. It's like having a digital twin that writes just like you. This is how you ensure your content doesn't just sound human, it sounds like you. Your readers will feel a genuine connection because the content resonates with your authentic voice. Whether it's a blog post, an email, or a social media update, your unique style will shine through. Both UPass AI and Gravity Write allow you to create these profiles. These platforms are designed to help you build a comprehensive voice profile that captures the nuances of your writing. They are user-friendly and powerful, making the process seamless and efficient. Start by feeding the tool samples of your own writing. This could be anything from articles and essays to casual emails and social media posts. The more diverse the samples, the better the tool can understand and replicate your style. Blog posts, emails, social media updates, all these pieces of writing contribute to building a robust profile. Each sample you provide helps the tool learn more about your unique way of expressing ideas. Anything that reflects your natural style. Highlighted texts, annotated documents, and even drafts can be used to give the tool a comprehensive understanding of your writing habits. The tools will analyze your writing and identify patterns. They look for recurring themes, common phrases, and stylistic choices that define your writing. This analysis is crucial for creating an accurate profile. They'll pick up on your vocabulary, sentence structure, and even your preferred punctuation. Every little detail is considered to ensure the profile is as close to your natural writing as possible, even your use of humor or metaphors. These elements are what make your writing uniquely yours, and the tools are designed to capture these subtleties. Once your profile is created, you can apply it to any piece of content. Whether you're drafting a new blog post or responding to an email, your digital profile ensures consistency in your voice. It's like having a digital clone of your writing style, always ready to assist. This not only saves you time, but also ensures that your personal touch is never lost, no matter how much content you need to produce. Section 5. Find your flavor experimenting with different voice profiles. The beauty of these tools is the flexibility they offer. You're not limited to just one voice profile. Want to sound more professional for a LinkedIn article? Create a profile that reflects that. Need a casual and conversational tone for a blog post? You got it. Experiment with different profiles and see what resonates with your audience. You might be surprised at the results. Remember, your writing voice is an extension of your brand. It's how you connect with your audience on a deeper level. Section 6. The refinement process, testing and tweaking for perfection. No tool is perfect, and that includes AI writing assistants. That's why it's crucial to review and refine the output. Read through the humanized content carefully. Does it sound natural? Does it flow well? Does it sound like something you would actually write? If not, don't hesitate to make edits. Adjust the phrasing, add or remove sentences, and fine-tune the tone until you're happy with the result. Remember, you're the artist here. The tools are just there to assist you. Section 7. The human touch, why it matters for you and your audience. So, why go through all this trouble to humanize AI content? It's a question worth pondering, especially in an age where technology is rapidly advancing and becoming more integrated into our daily lives. The answer lies in the profound impact it has on both you and your audience. Because it makes a world of difference. When content feels human, it resonates on a deeper level. It's not just about the words on the screen, it's about the emotions and connections those words can evoke. For starters, it builds trust with your audience. Trust is the foundation of any meaningful relationship, and in the digital world, it's no different. When your audience feels that there's a real person behind the content, they're more likely to trust and value what you have to say. People are more likely to engage with content that feels authentic and relatable. Engagement is key in today's digital landscape. Authentic content encourages likes, shares, and comments, creating a vibrant community around your brand. It also helps you stand out from the crowd. In a market saturated with generic AI-generated content, having a human touch can be your unique selling point. It differentiates you from competitors and makes your content memorable. In a sea of bland, robotic content, a human voice is a breath of fresh air. It's refreshing and engaging, capturing the attention of your audience and keeping them coming back for more. And let's not forget about SEO. Search engines are getting smarter and are increasingly prioritizing content that is engaging and valuable to users. Search engines reward high-quality, engaging content. When your content is humanized, it's more likely to meet these criteria, improving your search engine rankings and driving more traffic to your site. By humanizing your AI-generated text, you're giving it the best chance to rank well. This not only boosts your visibility, but also enhances your credibility and authority in your niche. So, take the time to add that human touch. It's an investment that pays off in more ways than one. Section 8. Beyond the bots, ethical considerations in AI writing. As with any new technology, it's important to use AI writing tools responsibly and ethically. Transparency is key. Be upfront with your audience about your use of AI. Let them know that you're using tools to enhance your writing, not replace it entirely. Remember, AI should augment human creativity, not stifle it. Use these tools to boost your productivity and efficiency, but don't let them do all the thinking for you. The goal is to strike a balance between human ingenuity and AI assistance. Section 9. The future of writing, embracing the AI revolution. The rise of AI writing tools is revolutionizing the way we communicate. It's an exciting time to be a writer. By embracing these tools and learning how to use them effectively, we can unlock new levels of creativity and productivity. The key is to view AI as a partner, not a replacement. Let's work together to create content that is both informative and engaging, both human and technologically advanced. The future of writing is here, and it's looking brighter than ever.